We are having a reflection. Thank you, Jesus. That love, when that trumpet sounds, where will I be? Where will I be when the first trumpet sounds? Where will I be when it sounds so loud? Give your life to Jesus. Where will I be when the first trumpet sounds? Where will I be when it sounds? Where will you be when the first trumpet sounds? Where will you be when it sounds so loud? When it sounds so loud as to wake up the dead. Where will you be when it sounds? Will you be ready when the Lord shall come? Will you be ready when the Lord shall come? Oh, yes, I will be ready. I will be ready. I will be ready when the Lord shall come. I will be ready. I will be ready. I will be ready when the Lord shall come. Oh, yes, you better be ready.